importante yung presence ng tao. Let's give importance to every person. No matter who. Yung pasalamatan lang, yung tumulong, yung nag-deliver ng pagkain o mga, oh, thank you sir, salamat po. Sabi niya, bakit? Binayaran ko naman yan ha. Ha ha ha. Yan na naman, mga kwan natin, ugaling dapat baguhin na. And you know, it could be also silent treatment. Okay, nandiyan ka ba? I don't talk to you. I don't even smile at you. Parang wala ka. People can do that. Some people are very good in doing that. Some wives can give a silent treatment to the husband and vice versa. So, these are forms of rejections. Of course, group rejections. Ito mahirap eh. Some people feel, ito na yung mga entitled group. I'm more entitled than them. Alam niyo nung panahon ng Espanyol, yung tinatawag nating abanico? Abanico. Tumitingin sila sa mga tao. It's interesting, ha? I call this the balconaje mentality. You know, many of our towns, nandyan yung plaza, tapos yung mga mayayaman, nandyan mga bahay nila. Nasa balcony sila, tinitignan yung mga taga